In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel file in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through a clean, reliable process to bring your spreadsheet data into the Leads module so your team can start working with it right away. Before we jump in, a quick note. It helps if your Excel file has clear column headers, like first name, last name, company, email, and phone. Make sure each column holds only one type of information and that there aren't any merged cells. That will make the import smoother and your field mappings more accurate. Start by opening your Zoho CRM homepage and signing in if you're not already there. From the main navigation, head to the Sales area. Within Sales, choose Leads. This takes you to your Leads list view, where we'll launch the import. In the Leads view, look toward the top right area for the drop-down menu that holds the actions you can take on this list. Open that drop-down, then select Import Leads. This opens the import tool that guides you through uploading your Excel file and matching its columns to your CRM fields. On the import screen, click the option to browse your computer. Navigate to the folder where your Excel file is stored, select the file you want to bring in, and confirm your choice. If you have multiple versions of a spreadsheet, pick the final, cleaned up version to reduce the chance of errors or duplicates. Once your file is selected, click Next to move forward. You'll now choose what you want to do with the incoming data. Select Add as New Leads. This tells Zoho CRM to create brand new lead records from your file. If your file contains contacts that may already exist in your account, keep in mind that adding as new leads will create separate records, so it's best used when you're confident these are new entries or when you intend to review and merge duplicates later. With that selection made, click Next. Next comes the most important part of the process, mapping fields. Here, you'll see your spreadsheet's column names on one side and Zoho CRM's lead fields on the other. Click into each field and match the appropriate CRM field to your Excel column. For example, map your column for first name to the first name field, last name to last name, company to company, and so on. Pay extra attention to required fields in your CRM setup. If a field is mandatory, make sure you've mapped a valid column to it. For any dates, pick the correct date format so Zoho CRM can interpret them correctly. For pickless fields like lead source or industry, use the values already configured in your CRM whenever possible to maintain clean data. If there are columns in your spreadsheet that you don't need in the CRM, simply leave them unmapped. Work through each column until everything is matched as intended. Taking an extra minute here saves a lot of cleanup later. When you're satisfied with your field mapping, click Next to proceed. You'll now see a confirmation step. Review the summary and then check the box to confirm that you understand the import will create new leads based on your file and your mappings. This is your final opportunity to make sure everything looks right, so do a quick scan of the details. When you're ready, click I confirm. To start the import, click Finish. Zoho CRM will begin processing your file. Depending on the size of your spreadsheet, this might take a short moment. Once it's complete, your new leads will be available in the Leads module. If the system provides a brief summary, take note of how many records were imported successfully and if any rows were skipped due to validation rules or missing required data. That's it. You've successfully imported an Excel file into Zoho CRM by going to the Leads module, launching the import, selecting your file, adding records as new leads, mapping your fields carefully, confirming the details, and finishing the process. Thanks for watching, and happy importing.